Hey guys, thanks for joining us. Today we have a 52 Diamond T, a little bit modified with a Dodge bed on it. They come 8 feet. It's probably what, 12 feet, you think?
Yeah, it's a good solid 10 at least. Right?
At least 10. I mean, that thing looks big. So we're just gonna go start it up and take it for a ride. I love the modern bed grafted in this thing. Freaking awesome. So we've got a 327.
It's got a little 350 in it.
350.
And yeah, nothing special, but it runs good. It's got a little Borgo on a training 4-speed with the granny gear.
Huh.
You got your little 2-speed, also a transmission transfer case, if you will. You got low range and you got high range. Oh no. Just turn off the phone here. There we go. It's a little bit of a chore to get it to start, but it won't get stolen. That's your charge light.
Huh. Cool.
Get a little throttle.
Secret button over there.
Starter button.
Man, sounds good with the
All your
stacks,
gauges
man.
work. Yep, got your side pipes in the wrong direction. They're sticking up. Looks kind of trucky.
I like it.
Got your original diamond.
Man, the stack sounds nice. Woo! Sick.
It's like a Corvette.
Exactly like a Corvette.
Yeah.
Just a little bigger.
Yeah. And like I said, all the gauges function. Got your ashtray if you're a smoker. Convenient location.
There you go.
Got your signal stat turn signals. That's a trucker add-on.
Gotta have that.
Got your choke. Got your cigarette lighter. Got your lights.
Cool.
That's your heat.
Heat. Oh, it's got a little hot rod heater.
That's your blower motor. Turns your heat on. Got another ashtray there in case you want to smoke. You got dual ashtrays actually. His and hers. It's actually an old cigarette in there.
Oh yeah, that's about 900 years old.
Probably old Camel or something.
Yeah, no, Lucky Strike probably.
Could be. Now we're in low range.
Okay.
And now we're in granny gear first, so she really winds a bit.
Wow.
There's second.
Man, this thing drives freaking great.
You can pull a house down with this truck.
Love it.
Now what you want to do,
Yeah.
get yourself a neutral. You want to put yourself in high range when you
So
hit
down
the road.
high range. Okay.
So we're in high range. We'll do the same grandma gear. You can see the difference as soon as this van goes.
Very cool. Oh yeah, big difference.
That's your road gears. You drive on the street.
Man, this thing runs great.
People will be looking for the Corvette when you go down the road. You're like, holy crap, it's a Diamond T.
So unique. I've never ever seen anything like this.
It's still in third gear, didn't even get the fourth gear.
Way more comfortable than I thought it would be.
Oh yeah, she is comfy. I think we got leather seats here. Actually, somebody upholstered it in leather, which is kind of nice. Makes it a little classy.
Yeah, really nice.
Back up here a little bit. Got your reverse all the way over and down.
You got a thumbs up from this guy.
Everybody loves this truck.
What's that the love? Jeez. So unique. with one hand even.
You can drive this anywhere you want, man.
Sick. It just told as much as a 3500 or something.
If you don't have air conditioning, but you can take it anywhere you want to go.
Who cares?
Got no power steering. It's a man's truck.
You look good doing it. All you need is like a straw hanging out your
Something
mouth.
really funny. Put it back in low range.
Yeah.
And we'll go through the gears. That's granny gear.
Oh my God, we're barely moving.
Here's second.
Jeez.
That's third.
Wow.
That's fourth.
Wow.
In case you want to go logging or something like that, now you got to pull a heavy load.
Yeah. Everyone goes logging these days.
Not the trucks, that's the people go by here.
Sick.
Pretty neat, right? Oops.
Really neat.
Yeah, that first gear is non-synchro mesh.
Woo! Oh, reverse too, super granny.
Yeah, super granny in reverse. So you can actually have 8 forward speeds and 2 reverse speeds.
Wow.
If you think about it.
I didn't know that. Very cool. Well, guys, thanks for joining us today. Any questions, give us a shout. We're at 631-339-0399. Thanks a lot.